futhi sikhulume nangesilungu accommodate amanye ama-colleagues that are here. Kodwa kahle hle leli langa ilanga lokuyigqaja ngevelaphi yethu, who we are and what we are about. Yikho ke ngifisa ukuchaza kuqala ukuthi namhlanje last year bekhuluma ngesiZulu ngachaza futhi ukuthi into ezothi ngikhulume ngesiZulu ukuthi vele namhlanje ilanga lokuthi vele umuntu nje akazizwa ukuthi bengiwumZulu nje ngumZulu phaqa. Angithi ngibonile program direct uyayikhulula nje into yethu yokuthi siyamaZulu angithi uyaphinda futhi ke fanele sikwazi accommodate futhi angithi leli langa lokuthi ke sikwazi ukuthi sikhombisane ukuthi we are a big family in diversity. Ngokuhluka kwethu kodwa siyahloniphana as well. This is a special occasion where we gather not only to reflect on our past, but also to draw inspiration from the rich and diverse heritage that shapes who we are as South Africans and as education officials. On behalf of Umlazi District, I warmly welcome all of you, each one of you that is here, all our dedicated officials that are present. Ilanga nje namhlanje lokuthi ake sihlaleni phansi sirelax, siyazi ukuthi kunama submissions adingakalayo, siyazi ukuthi kunama meetings kufanele ngabe siyangena kuwona, singenile kuwona ekuseni sasubmit sikwazi ukusubmit ekuseni. Manje sesihlala phansi siyarelaxa sithi ake sireflect ukuthi singobani thina, singobani, singamaZulu, singamandiya, singabelungu, sonke njengabasebenzi baseMlazi District. Nokuhloniphana kwethu futhi kube kanjalo ekutheni angithi mengibona ongumlungu bese ngimthathela phansi noma ngimthathele phezulu, bese ngibuka omnyama bese ngimthathela phansi noma ngimthathele phezulu. Okubalekile ukuthi there will always be a mutual respect le ekhombisa ukuthi siyabahlonipha abanye abantu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi iqala lapho ekutheni we love each other, we love one another, and we respect one another. Without these young dedicated colleagues, we call them young colleagues, interns. It is unfortunate that they stay with us for a certain duration and then they leave us. If they were not there, we wouldn't be able to do our work the way we do it. We wouldn't be able to achieve what we want to achieve. We wouldn't be able to respond to the needs and the objectives of the government and the department as we do. In my own office, there is no single permanent staff in the district director's office. That is why I am saying we need to appreciate them. We need to make sure that we teach them, we develop them to become the people who will be able to represent the government wherever they are.